name's Mia. I'm going to be your CNA. How are you? Okay, I'm here to provide foot care for you. Is that okay? Perfect. Can I just get your name, first name and date of birth?
Alexis, 7/17/06.
Okay, perfect. Can I just check your ID then? Great, perfect. All right, so I'm just going to get my supplies ready and I'll be right back with you, okay? Great. I'm going to wash my hands, close your privacy curtain. Place this here for now. We're going to do foot care on the right foot. So I'm going to remove your shoe and then remove your sock. Is that okay? I'm actually going to put your shoe up.
She's going to angle that camera so we can capture the bottom.
Ooh, you got nice toes done. All right, I'm going to just make sure your foot is not on the floor.
Will you pull it down?
All right, I'm going to grab the basin and fill it up with water, get the rest of my supplies. Okay. You just check the water for me, please. Okay, great. Place this here, and I'm just gonna grab the washcloths really quickly. It's gonna be cold. Washcloths. And then I also have some lotions for you. I have Aveeno and Jergens. What do you prefer? Jergens. Okay. Are you ready to start? How are you feeling today?
Good.
You're feeling good? Okay, great. I'm happy to hear that. All right. Let's
We're
start.
gonna go on the other side so the cameras can pick it up.
Okay. I'll go on this side. Okay, great. Have Jergens and our soap here, and I have our towel to dry our foot after. Can we please place our foot in? Okay, perfect.
You said it's good. You said it's good.
Ay, ay. Okay, we're gonna.
This patient lying.
I'm so sorry. All right. I'm going to put soap on all four corners. Okay. I'm going to ask you to place your foot on this side. Is that okay? Making sure that your foot is supported at all times. Okay, great. I'm going to start with wiping the right side of your foot first. The top side of your foot.
Not a good patient.
The left side of your foot. And lastly, I'm going to do the underside of your foot.
Guys, compose yourself with
I'm ticklish. Okay, great. I'm going to now rinse
Is
your
the
foot.
water warm or?
water is very warm.
She said it's good.
Oh, it's because I'm ticklish.
Okay, and we're gonna do this rinse in the same way that we cleaned the top. This way. Ooh. And we're gonna lift the foot. All right, at the same time, I'm gonna be looking for any type of sores on the foot, making sure that your foot looks okay. I'm gonna dry your foot, okay? Perfect. On this side, the top of the foot. And we're gonna go under the foot to dry. Okay, great. I'm just gonna remove your foot from here. Oh, no, we're gonna come this way, perfect. We're gonna support your foot at the bottom, making sure it's supported on the towel. And I have Jergens here for you, like you said before that you wanted to use Jergens. So I'm gonna warm this up with my hands. Correction, I should have had gloves on during the skill, but I completely forgot. Warm up this lotion, make sure it's nice and warm after that very cold water. All right, we're going to apply lotion on the side, making sure I'm not putting any lotion in between the toes to the bottom, and drying any excess lotion that is visibly there, or just any excess lotion, making sure it's not in between the toes. All right, I'm gonna throw these in my hamper. And correction, I also forgot my socks, so I'm gonna grab the sock as well to change you into a new pair of socks. Make sure that the sock is fully, you're gonna make sure that the toes align with the sock line up here, the toe line. Carefully make sure I put the sock back on. Will you like your shoe back on as well, or just the sock?
The shoe too.
The shoe as well? Okay, perfect. Okay, great. Let's get your shoe. Place this back on. Perfect. Can I get a time check, please?
22 minutes, 30 seconds.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna start putting away my supplies. I'm going to hand you your call bell as well, just in case anything happens. And I'm not around. Here's your call bell. I'm gonna start putting away my supplies as well. Did that feel good? Is everything okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna just throw this out.
My foot is ticklish.
Guys, please consider subscribing to our channel. This is the foot care for Prometric CNA clinical skills.
I'm gonna rinse the basic.
They
3
are
times.
graduating today and they're doing their mock test. They're doing pretty good though. The students are doing extremely well. I think they really grasp the skill concept. Most of them are nursing students. The one sitting in the wheelchair, she's gonna be an RN soon. Expected graduation.